welcome to my channel. So today I am just going to be using this bad boy. I didn't know that there was a Revlon one, so I looked it up on Amazon and I just got the, I guess, the dupe of it. So today I'm going to be showing you how I get my blown out salon looking hair. And if you like these, I can link it down below, because this was only, it only cost me, guys, half of what it cost in Revlon. I saw it after and it was like 60 bucks for Revlon one like this. So this one cost me about $28, and it works just the same, I'm sure. So if you can save a pretty penny, go cop this one. I'll leave the link down below. Woo! Okay, so first I'm just gonna take my hair down from the clip. I have really short hair. I really want to get extensions, but I'm not sure which company, which type of hair to get. I'm like really new at that type of stuff, so if you guys have any suggestions, please leave it down below. I would greatly appreciate it. So I'm just gonna get started by sectioning off my hair. And if I'm wearing the same thing, it's because I just filmed this makeup look right before I pressed record for this, so it's okay. I showered. I smelled good.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright, so this actually comes with 3 settings. It comes with low, medium, and high. I typically use it on medium or high. And honestly, this is just a lifesaver for me because I have no idea how to blow out my hair. It was always so difficult and I would always give up. So I always turn towards the flat iron, and I know that's completely a mistake on my behalf. It's really not smart to use a flat iron multiple times a week. So I finally decided to pick up one of these. I didn't even know these exist. So I was like, you know what? I need something that's gonna be half the time of me attempting to blow out my hair, which would take like 3 hours, and then me knocking my head with the blower brush, and it was just a mess. So I'm so happy I actually picked this up, and I'm so happy it was a fraction of the price. It is on Revlon's website. But basically I literally, all you do is just take your hair, grab it, and you just flick it like that, and it literally does everything for you. All you're doing is just holding it, basically. So I turned it on. This is the low setting, middle, which sounds way lower than the low, and then high. Typically I use high so it can be faster and I'm out the door. So that's all I'm going to be doing today. And I usually, when I blow out my hair, I usually put it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In plus Keratin. This stuff, you guys, smells so good, and I think it really helps your hair. It gives you a little bit of shine, not too much. You don't want to use too much of this because you don't want to have greasy hair. Like, I tend to have greasy hair, so I use like 2 sprays and then rub it around my hair, and then I go on with blow drying it. But today I'm just gonna try not to use that at all. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me any suggestions to other videos you guys might want to watch. Okay, let's go. you guys, that literally took me like 10 minutes, probably even less. I swear this was like the best investment I had made, and it was literally so dirt cheap. You guys need to get your hands on this. If you find yourself having trouble with a blow dryer, or you find yourself flat ironing your hair way too much and you know it's not good, so get yourself one of these. I'll link it down below. And you guys, like literally 5 minutes and it looks like I went to the hair salon. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget this blower will be linked down below. You guys, I promise you, you won't regret it. Bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't feel So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with more videos. Bye!